In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a mini cordless rotary tool. I've already taken it out and charged it up. This comes with 5 speed settings, a Type-C charging. It's very lightweight. It's got an LED light on it. And looking over the side here, you know, you got inputs 3.7 volts. Here's the thing, the speed goes from 5,000 RPMs to 15,000 RPMs, and that's that speed setting on the side. Charging time's about 3 hours, and net weight is 0.3 kg. I can tell y'all, I took it out, I charged it up. It was I love how it comes in this package. Check this out. So basically, you don't need the box anymore. Let's just open this box up. It isn't gonna fly everywhere, but it kind of sounds that way. Open it up. It comes with a lot of little like sanding disc. These are these little round sanding discs for like sanding inside of like, say like a screw hole or something like that. And that's for just basic sanding right there. Actually, here's the USB-C cable. Then you get a little set of instructions. This thing's great for sanding, engraving, polishing, cutting, and drilling. This is a polishing wheel for polishing, like say you got like jewelry or something like that. This is a cutting wheel, which you're gonna have to install it. The cutting wheel goes on one of these things, by the way. And that's what this little screwdriver, see how you got this little screwdriver here? You're gonna take that, actually, you're gonna take that screw out. What you're gonna do is take that screw out, and then you're gonna just kind of like hand tighten it. And remember, it goes, think of holding it down like that, it turns that way. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there. And don't do this while it's in the unit. Once you get it to that point, now I can kind of tighten it down fully with the screwdriver. And now I have a little cutting wheel. You've got several different types of attachments for like really setting this thing up. And to put one of these attachments in, you're gonna loosen this tip up, slide that in there like that, screw that down till it starts turning. See how it's turning? Hold this button right here down and hear how it clicked into place. Now watch. There you go. That thing is on there. And then to turn the light on, you'll just push that button, and then let's say I've got like a little old multi-tool here. I'm gonna put it on the low. Y'all see how I'm grinding that off? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y'all see how that works. I'm not gonna, let's take that off. Here's the little engraving tool. Yeah, you could easily write on things. Check that out. So if I wanted to engrave my name in something, or just write on some wood, that worked great. I think this thing would be great for anyone that's just needing a small rotary tool. I'm gonna keep it here in my desk though when I'm working on small projects. I can pull this out and kind of like cut wires or like polish up something or something like that. There you go, everybody. That's all I got on the Sekar rotary tool. 5-speed rotary tool. See y'all in the next video.